Hey, it's Bridget with Sleepopolis, and today I want to show you how to get wine out of your mattress. Here are the actual supplies you need, and most of them, if not all, you should already have in your home. First, vacuum cleaner, as you can see here, clear dish soap, hydrogen peroxide, baking soda. You'll want a toothbrush, a white rag, and 2 empty spray bottles. You're gonna have half water in your spray bottle, half hydrogen peroxide. And then you're also going to put 2 big squirts of the dish soap in it and shake it up. First, sprinkle an even coat of baking soda all over the stains. Rub the baking soda into the mattress and set the timer for 10 minutes. Vacuum the mattress again and possibly empty the vacuum if needed. Shake the cleaning solution up and spray it all over the mattress. Then cover the mattress with baking soda again, rub it in with a white rag, and scrub with a toothbrush. Okay, now we wait. Let the mattress sit for at least 8 hours. All right, let's take a look at our results here. This was our red wine, so I'm actually a little surprised by the color because it is kind of yellow, which I can tell that the wine spread through the mattress more, so if I would have widened my area of cleaning, it might have done a little bit better of a job, but overall, I think that it lifted the stain really nicely. All right, hopefully you found this cleaning method helpful. Head over to sleepopolis.com for mattress reviews, product information, and all things sleep, and I'll see you next time. Oh gosh.